How to apply for Wells Fargo business credit card. Hey there, entrepreneurs looking for a credit card to help your business thrive? Wells Fargo offers a variety of business credit card with great rewards and benefits. In this quick video, we'll show you how to apply for a Wells Fargo business credit card. Step 1. Know your business needs. Before applying, take a moment to consider your business needs. Do you travel a lot? Do you spend heavily on specific categories? Wells Fargo offers cards with perks like travel rewards, cashback, and bonus points for certain purchases. Choose the card that best suits your spending habits. Step 2. Check eligibility. Head over to the Wells Fargo Business Credit Card page, which is this link, and then here you can browse different cards and check eligibility requirements. Generally, you'll need a good personal credit score and a healthy business with a solid track record. Step 3. Apply online or in branch. Once you've chosen your card, you can apply directly on the Wells Fargo website. The online application is quick and easy. Alternatively, you can visit a Wells Fargo branch and speak with a banker who can guide you through the process. So here's what you'll need. Be prepared to provide some basic information during the application, including your business information, which is your name, EIN, etc., your personal information, again, your name, your address, social security number, your financial information, such as your business income, personal income, etc. Then step 4, wait for approval. After submitting your information or your application, Wells Fargo will review your information and make a decision. The approval process typically takes a few business days. They may contact you for additional information if needed. And that's it. With the Wells Fargo Business Credit Card, you can earn rewards, manage your cash flow, and build your business credit. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And hit that like button for more business financial tips. Thanks for watching. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more technology tutorials.